Big time dog. Big dog. I was a big dog. I was a very big dog. And I'm a very dead dog. That's okay. It's not difficult. I miss eating babies. I used to chew little jelly bones very good. Splash fresh blood in my mouth and squeaky little screams. Fur is still so soft. There are no chipmunk babies here for me to eat. Maybe there will be later. Maybe next time there will be babies for me to catch and chew. I'll wait here for a very long time, I think. I've already been waiting for a long time. That's okay. I can wait. I can wait forever.